Well, hello bleepers. Right, I'm doing an intro in the car at the moment because it's absolutely hamming it down. But hey, skin's waterproof, as they say. I've done this field about 3 times and come up with absolutely nothing, but got a good feeling about it today. And I shall see you on the first hole if my phone doesn't get broken in the rain. But hey, moving on. Right, I'm getting wet. My first decent signal had a little scrap bit of lead. Is this little party fact of some description? I mean, I'd say that was an old buckle, or it could be a midget's coat hanger. Yeah, it's a cool little find anyway. Someone's got something decorative there. That's definitely a keeper. Into my little pocket. Right, I'll see you on the next hole. Right, on to the next hole. I started filming as soon as I saw the rim of silver there. Oh, wow. That's an old pocket watch. How cool is that? Looks like it's silver plated at one point as well. Cool. See, I knew I had a good day today. I'll clean it up when I get home, see if I can get any markings of it. Yeah. Cool, I'll scan the hole again and see if there's any more. Well chuffed for that. Well, I haven't had one of these in ages. But I finally got a coin that's not on the beach. Down quite deep as well, but I can't quite make it out. No, it's just too far gone, but at least it's a coin. First of the week. But yeah, hopefully we'll find some more. Right, moving on. Woohoo! Finally found my first baton. There's not much on it, just a plain baton. Still got the shank on it, and there is some writing around the back. But this ground is quite hard digging because there's lots of flint. It's just hard to get through with the spade, so I've got to go in with my pointy knife, dagger type digger and sort of get around them all. But yeah, still going strong. I've still got about another 2 hours out. But the find of the day so far has to be that pocket watch. But anyway, cool, moving on. Alright, it's finally stopped raining. On to my next target anyway, and it's just a piece of little shrapnel box things. Yeah, moving on. Right, I found one of these things. I'm sure I saw someone else on YouTube get this. It was part of a tool. I can't remember it as a... I don't know actually, it's just... Or is it part of just from farm machinery? I don't know. Anyway, moving on. Don't excuse the wind. The next one. It's the old rusty square buckle. Anyway, moving on. Well, that's the end of a hunt. It's dried up now, so it's not wet. Put my teeth back in. Right. Nice pocket watch there, which I found. It's a coin which hasn't revealed itself anymore. If you're asking why I got blue nails, it's because I was doing the wife's hair. Don't ask. What looks like a bit of a cufflink there. The midget's coat hanger. A little 2-ringer old bullet. 4 buttons. And the rest is, how they say, rubbish. I was like, rubbish, that's a nice horseshoe, and I don't know what that is. Is that a horseshoe for a very small horse? Or... no, it's like a wood staple, I think. Some little lead bits. But yeah, nothing I can make any IDs off. But yeah, thank you guys. We shall see you next hunt, which will probably be next week. So, good luck, happy hunting, and please subscribe if you like my videos, and if you don't worry about it. Bye.